I, Anthony Calvillo. I, Anthony, are you the quarterback of Montreal? Yes, I am. It is so far the best quarterback of all time, as well as in the American League and the League Canadians. Because that Anthony has not been fished by the NFL, he began his career in the Canadian Football League in 1994 with the expansion in the United States, the Las Vegas Posse. After a year with the possession, Calvillo was selected first overall by the Hamilton Tiger Cats in the repackage. In 1998, Calvillo signed as a free agent with the Montreal Alouettes, where he became one of the quarterbacks in the CFL's most remarkable history. He led the Alouettes to the Grey Cup in 2002 for the first time in 25 years, where he was named Most Valuable Player in the game. In 2004, he became the fourth quarter in CFL history to pass for more than 6,000 yards in a season. Thanks to Anthony, the Alouettes in 2004 became the first team in CFL history with 4 receivers have had 1,000 yards receiving in the same season. Ben Cahoon, 1183 meters, Jermaine Copeland, 1154 meters, Tyron Anderson, 1147 meters, and Quam Cavill, 1090 meters. On June 26, in a game against the Hamilton Tiger Cats, Calvillo surpassed Danny McManus to become the second all-time passer in the CFL. Calvillo led Montreal to the 97th Grey Cup on November 29, when the Alouettes defeated the Saskatchewan Roughriders with a touchdown last second. Calvillo won his third Grey Cup November 28, 2010, the 98th Grey Cup in Edmonton, Alberta. He added 2,470 yards passing games. In Grey, everyone told you about my record as true football player. But now I'm gonna talk about my personal life. I was born August 23, 1972 in Los Angeles. To start, I played football and basketball in high school Parinta, California. Then I majored in physical education at the University of Utah Stadium. I now live in Montreal because I play with the Montreal Alouettes. I am married to Alexia Cantolimos and I have 2 daughters. Athena Sonia Calvillo was born in 2005 and Olivia Christina Calvillo that she was born in 2007. I was diagnosed with a tumor in the thyroid gland, which is cancer. Luckily, it is a cancer that can be treated more easily. Then I went back through treatment. I have lived in the neighborhood of Los Angeles was more gang, but I decided not to become like Had. Instead, I decided to play football. I have my name origins including Mexican families. Now you can nice say me well.